Hey friends, we're here with Christopher. Christopher, what do you got for us today?
Well, we've got a Northtech 18 volt lithium ion cordless blower kit. We got this from Menards. Was it like 12 or $15?
Yeah, it was on sale.
It's on sale. And anyway, it's a pretty nice unit. Got a battery. I think, yep, got a plug-in little cord. I'll show you. Oh, there's the blower. I mean, the blower feels nice. Feels like it's got some weight to it for its size. Extension. And just a little charger. And I think this, you got a little, plugs in right there. Oh, what else do we have in the box? And it comes, it's also a vacuum too. It comes with a little vacuum bag.
We've been wanting a cordless vacuum and they had these on sale at a ridiculous price, so we thought we'd try it. Figured it couldn't be that bad.
I'm thinking, let's see if it happens. Oh.
What a rip. Just so you know, friends, that battery is straight out of the box. It's not been charged.
Nope.
We did open this and we were so impressed we were kind of waiting to use it ourselves and charge it until we could shoot a video. And Christopher has use for it, so we thought we'd better shoot the video.
Yep. Yeah, so it's a blower, and it says it could be a vacuum, so probably try out both.
What's it have for vacuum?
I'm honestly not sure. I think well, there's pulling through this port, so I'm guessing you're just blowing. You hook this up here, and then...
Does it reverse or anything?
No, not that I can tell.
Huh. All right, well, we may get back to you. Well, there you go.
I guess, yeah. I think you'd want to be careful what you vacuum, but...
Seems a little awkward.
Try to avoid vacuuming gravel or something while your fan blade's in there. I think that would work.
Yeah, hold it up. Well... So what do you think? It's more of a blower than a vacuum?
I think it's probably more of a blower, but probably could use it a vacuum if you really need to.
Well, we're going to need to on the windrower, so we'll try it out there.
Yep.
All right, anything else?
I think that's about it. It's a nice little unit. Thanks for watching, everybody.
All right, friends, we'll catch you later. Thank you. Bye.